everybody, it's Elf Lisa. Today we are going to practice subitizing numbers to 5. Today I'm going to start by asking you to take photos of what you see and keeping that picture in your head. Okay? So we have 1 penguin. Take a photo. Well done. Can you see 2 penguins? Put that picture in your head. Can you see 3 penguins? 1, 2, 3. This time we have 4 penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you take a photograph? And now we have 5 penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start by playing the game where I've hidden some penguins underneath my cloth. And when I remove the cloth, I want you to tell me very quickly how many penguins you can see. You can either shout the number out or you can show me with your fingers. Are you ready? How many did you see? Did you see 3? 1, 2, 3. Remember to try not to count them. Try to do it as quickly as you can. But just count them to check if you are right, okay? Are you ready for the next one? How many did you see this time? Did you see 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's play the game one last time. Are you ready? How many did you see this time? Did you see 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elf has to feed the reindeer for Santa. How many carrots can you see? Could you see 2? Oh, what's that? Oh, Rudolph would like more carrots. Let's see how many carrots Elf gives them this time. How many carrots have the reindeers now got? Show me with your fingers or shout the answer out. Can you see 4? He said that's still not enough. Okay, let's see how many Elf is going to give them this time. How many can you see now? Show me with your fingers or shout the answer out. I can see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's roll the dice to see how many carrots Rudolph is going to have. Can you tell me what the answer is? What can you see? Try not to count. I can see 4. Let's count out 4 carrots for Rudolph. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Christmas trees can you see? Try not to count. Try to remember that number in your head. Show me with your fingers or shout the answer out. Can you see 5? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 also looks like this. That's 5 as well. And this is number 5. How many trees can you see this time? Can you see 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if you can remember the piece for 4, what it looks like. It's here. It's green. Can you see the 4 holes as well? And this is how we write number 4. How many trees can you see this time? I can see 3. 1, 2, 3. What can you see this time? Can you see 2? 1, 2. And how many trees are there now? That's right, there's 1. So we've looked at numbers 1 to 5 and I've shown you the different pieces that make up those numbers. I'm going to set Elf a challenge. I've given him some building blocks and I wonder if he can make the right size tower of blocks depending on the number. So if he was making number 1, he would need 1 block. If he was making number 2, he would need 2 blocks. Let's see if Elf can do his counting properly. I'm going to need you to check. Are you ready? So Elf has built the tower for number 1. If you agree, give me a thumbs up. If you disagree, give me a thumbs down. 1. That's right, Elf got number 1 right. Are you ready to check? What do you think? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? 1, 2. Yes, it's a thumbs up. Elf got that one right. Let's see if he can do number 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done, Elf. Now try number 4. Have a little look. Can you notice that each time the cubes are going up 1 more each time? So does that look right? I think it does, but let's count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic! Let's see if Elf can do today's new number, number 5. What do you think? If you think it's right, thumbs up, and if you think it's wrong, a thumbs down. Well, can you remember how I said that because we're going up in ones, each tower has to be 1 cube higher? Well, it doesn't look like this is 1 higher, does it? It looks the same. So that's going to be 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh dear, Elf, I think you need another cube. Let's check now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. It's time for one of my favourite games. It's Christmas present time. I wonder what Santa has left for us today. When I show you what's inside each box today, I want you to remember to take a photograph and put that picture in your head. Are you ready? What can you see? I can see 3 gingerbread men. I wonder what's in the next box. What can you see? Remember to take that picture. I can see 5 gingerbread men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see what's in the last box. What can you see this time? I can see 4 gingerbread men. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to play the game where I muddle the boxes up and I want you to point to the box that you think has 5 gingerbread men in, okay? Let me just muddle them up. Are you ready? Point to the box that you think has 5 gingerbread men in. And now we'll check and see if you were right. How many gingerbreads in that box? That's right, there's 3. So it's not that box. Let's look at the next box. How many have we got this time? That's right, there's 4. And let's look in the next box. How many can you see? I can see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you pointed to this box, well done. It's time for me to put my glasses on again because I'm going to find different ways of seeing the same number. Let's see which number we're looking at today. Can you tell just by looking at it? I'm going to count to check you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to find different ways of making the number 5 through Santa's glasses. So to do that, I need to share all my baubles between the two parts. You ready? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this part here, I have 3, and in this one, I have 2. So I now know that 3 add 2 equals 5. Let's just count them to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's find a different way of seeing 5. Can you see 5 in a different way? So I'm going to share them again. I need to make sure I use up all my baubles because I'm making 5. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time I have 4, add 1 to equal 5. Okay, let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to try and find another way. Do you know another way? This time I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've used up all my baubles, so I can't put anything in this one. So it's 5 add 0 equals 5. I could put all my baubles this side and then say 0 add 5 equals 5. Let's look at my dominoes today and find out which numbers we can see. So again, you can show me with your fingers or you can shout the number out. What can you see? I can see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What can you see? I can see 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. What can you see? Yes, it's 4 again, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 different ways of making 4. What can you see this time? I can see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about this time? Yes, it's 3, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. And this time? That's right, it's 2. 1, 2. How about now? What can you see? I can see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about now? It's 1. What's the number this time? That's right, it's 2. 1, 2. What can you see? Can you see 3? 1, 2, 3. How about now? It's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. So today we learnt that there are a few different ways of seeing 5. You might see 4 and 1, or you could see 1 and 4. It's still 5. You might see 3 and 2, or 2 and 3. You could also see 5 and 0, or 0 and 5. Well, we've reached the end of today's lesson. We have learnt how to subitize numbers to 5. I look forward to seeing you again soon. If you enjoyed my video, please remember to like and subscribe, and that way you won't miss out on all my new videos. Until I see you again, bye bye for now. Bye!